Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow Speak English. This is day 6 of our 100 Days English Challenge. If you haven't watched days 1 to 5 yet, I highly recommend watching them first. They will help you build a strong foundation in English. Today's lesson is Basic English Conversation for Beginners. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Person A. Hello. Person B. Hi. Person A. How are you? Person B. I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Person A. I'm doing well, thanks. Person A. What's your name? Person B. My name is Alex. What's your name? Person A. My name is Emma. Person B. Nice to meet you. Person A. Nice to meet you too. Person A. Where are you from? Person B. I'm from Bangladesh. Where are you from? Person A. I'm from the United States. Person B. What do you do? Person A. I'm a student. Person A. Do you speak English every day? Yes, I practice every day. That's great. Keep practicing. Thank you. Excellent job. You have just completed a basic English conversation. Practice this conversation every day and speak out loud with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Slow Speak English, and share it with your friends. If you want the next lesson, type next episode in the comments. I'll see you in day 7 of our 100 Days English Challenge. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English. Goodbye.